Today we'll be making salted vegetable duck soup. Here are the ingredients: 2 whole ducks, 5 chicken breasts, 2 kilograms of pork, 1 huge piece of ginger, 4 bulbs of garlic, 2 bunches of salted vegetables, 12 medium-sized yellow onions, 13 medium-sized tomatoes, 3 pieces of salted plum, 1 peck of assam peel, and 6 tablespoons of white peppercorns. In a large pot of water, add in your duck, chicken breasts, and pork. Add your sliced ginger, as well as your bulbs of garlic. Remove some of the water so that your pot doesn't overflow when boiling. Slice your tomatoes into half and remove the pits. Do the same with your yellow onions. As the pot of water boils, remove the scum from the top layer. Add in your salted vegetable, assam peel, tomatoes, onions, peppercorns, and salted plum. Leave it to boil for another hour and your soup is done.